Art and Technology Night is a way for us to showcase artwork where artists are using technology in creative ways. And that could encompass anything from digital art as, images that you would draw on your iPad or animate, or it could be anything interactive. So we have actually a whole broad range of things that students are working with.
I have two projects. One is a game made in Unreal Engine 5, while the other project is a live interactive touch designer video.
I'm going to be doing an interactive game station, a visual work projected onto a wall, and several prints.
My project, it's a platformer. You play as a little wizard guy who goes around stopping these robots from taking over a town.
And we love this. We love the fact that we can explore these digital tools with the precipice that we want to create something new out of it that is not imagined before.
One of my favorite ways to describe creative technology is taking technology and using it in the most unintended way possible. Just using anything at our hands to make awesome art.
It's a whole new media. I'm normally traditional, pen and paper, paint, stuff like that. I'm not used to working with those kinds of materials. So it was like a learning curve, but I liked it.
The show mixes and matches all levels of work, from students to graduate students to faculty who teach in this program. And it's all one big exhibition, one big show, one big party.
I get to meet a lot of really cool and really nice individuals. It's a really great place to get to know other people and to get yourself out there a little more, just because everyone has such a unique style and sense of self.
I haven't had an exhibition like this before. I've never made art that is meant to be interacted with, so getting this feedback, that's very exciting.
This is why we decided to create a platform for our students to experience the exhibition that allows these young artists to see how these audiences actually perceive and interact with this work, and show them that they're actually making some very good quality things that could be worthy of showing somewhere else in the public domain.